Well, we're off on another bike adventure. This morning, we're driving from our home in Connecticut all the way up to St. Johnsbury, Vermont. And we're going to do a 3-day biking trip on the Lamoille Valley Rail Trail.
Well, I'm very excited about it because I haven't been on a rail trail for quite a while. So I'm looking forward to 3 days of biking along and seeing all the sights in Vermont. Good morning from Vermont. It's cloudy today and only 58 degrees, but it's not supposed to rain, so that's a good thing.
And we're going to ride the Lamoille Valley Rail Trail all the way from, we thought, St. Johnsbury to Swanton, Vermont. That's about 96 miles. However, this morning we discovered that the first 6-7 miles of the trail is closed. So instead of St. Johnsbury, we're leaving from Danville. And we've parked Darth Vader right on the side of the trail, and we're gonna get moving right now. We're going to split this up into 3 days. So let's get on the trail. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
All right.
So right at the parking lot where we parked this morning, we come to Joe's Pond with this really cool footbridge. It's a very nice area. Well, so far we've done about a mile and it's all uphill, but it's about 1%, so that's not so bad. And it's a beautiful trail on a cloudy day. Beautiful lake. So we just stopped for a drink and a snack, and we've done about 8 miles so far. And then it's pretty much all the same. It's a beautiful trail, crushed stone, hard packed, and it's not bad. So today will be a very short day because of the closure of the trail in the beginning. I think we've only got about 10 miles to go. So we're looking forward to that, and we're going to move on down the road. You ready, Jan?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's move it. It's really nice since the sun came out and going down the trail. I have to say, this is becoming one of my favorite trails. It's secluded, there's nobody around, and it's a nice, smooth dirt trail. So you gotta love it. And Jan's behind me. Yeah. Well, it appears the local townspeople have put together a very nice mural showing the history of the trail, starting with the Indians and the railroad. And little towns were built, and the churches and the people, and the ability for people in wheelchairs to not only have ice cream, but to take advantage of this beautiful trail. The fall colors, the bicycles, and in the winter, the snowmobilers. Let's check out the map.
We're here.
Mile marker 27.3, and we're going down to where? Hardwick. Right there. 7 more miles.
And it's been very easy.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting on my bike and it's just moving.
Yeah.
I think we only had that one section that was, what, 2%, 3% grade at the most.
Right.
That lasted about 3 miles. That's
Yes.
pretty much downhill since then.
And actually, it's all downhill from here all the way to the end. So Jan, check out this picnic table with these 4x4s. That's a substantial picnic table. Thing's going to be around for many years.
It's very nice.
Yes, it is. Well, the sun's out. It's time to move on down the trail. So the trail is closed.
From mile marker 30 to 63.
30.63
Oh, 30.63.
to 32.
Oh, okay.
Pumpkin Lane in East Hardwick. So this is a detour. Put us on a nice asphalt back road. Still downhill. Nice. $16. Lamoille River. Only a couple of more miles to our B&B. Yes, this is where we take a left. So we're done for our ride today, and we stopped at the village restaurant to have fish and chips.
And it looks very good.
Let's dig in.
All right.
So we're staying at this beautiful bed and breakfast here in Hardwick, Vermont. Only for the evening, but it's an old, charming colonial house surrounded with gardens and some really beautiful flowers. And here's the view looking out over the valley. They certainly have a little paradise here. The place is called the Kimball House, and if you're riding the trail, it's well worth staying here. I do have to warn you though, there's a really steep hill to get up to this house. And the Kimball House is also very reasonably priced. Well, our adventure is over, and this is the video of day one. I left you at the Kimball House, and I just wanted to mention that even though it's a very steep hill to get up to the Kimball House, it's doable. Jan and I walked up. It was a fitting conclusion to the day. And when we got there, Sue, the owner, made us feel right at home. It's a really nice place, and I highly recommend it. I didn't film inside for privacy reasons, but take my advice, it's a great place to stay. The final video of this adventure will be day 2 and 3, and it'll come out next Friday. So look for that adventure. YouTube will notify you if you're subscribed and you've hit the notification bell. So that's it for today. I'd just like to once again thank you for watching, and get out there and do something. And as always, happy pedaling.